This is a 2010 Honda Pilot EX. There are 6 cylinders, 3.5 liters. You can view the Carfax report by visiting www.onyxautosales.net. Has a towing capacity of up to 3,500 pounds. And when you don't need to use the third row seats fold down nice and flat, and that middle seat belt strap, the shoulder strap, can be removed and it retracts up into the roof of the car. I will zoom in so you can see the rims and the tread on the tires. The interior is a gray fabric. I'll show you, there's the third row, and here's the middle row. And then your rear passengers have control of their own air. There are no no check engine light or anything. We'll take care of that TPMS sensor, and also whenever you purchase your car from Onyx, you get a full tank of gas, so don't worry about the gas light being on. We've got power locks, power windows, there's your truck button, steering wheel controls, cruise control. You do have dual climate control. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Honda Pilot out for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. If you purchase your vehicle from Onyx, you'll get to drive away with a smile and a full tank of gas. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!